this video cam. From here, any saving will be just like in CAD, File, Save As to save a CAD cam, or Export DXF to save as a DXF. That will also include the tool path into this drawing. If we choose to nest this part, there's two ways to nest. We'll start off with the grid nesting. This is a simple way of nesting. To nest along your X or your Y, just simply add in how many parts you'd like to nest, set it where you would like it to be, follow the arrow, and select Start Nesting. Your part will be nested out. You can also change the spacing on your parts right here in the parameters. Check mark to apply. True shape nesting is unique. You can select between multiple parts with the amount that you would like. By simply selecting that part, you'll see that the part turns blue when you select it. You can also fill the entire sheet evenly with the parts that are on your grid. So if we look at part number 2, if I wanted 5 of those, select 5, start nesting, and I can go to my part 1, and if I want 3 of those, start nesting, and I'll do the same. Fill sheet will automatically nest everything equally. You can also change your spacing between parts and minimum distance from sheet. Go back to your start nesting and you can re-nest it. You can continue to edit this nesting up until the point that you hit the apply button. To set up your part for cutting, first we will go over to our project settings. Here we can see that our PowerMax 65 is selected. Since we will be doing plasma cutting, that's what we will want selected. Next, we'll go to our material settings. It is important that all these numbers match what you will be cutting. In this case, we'll be cutting mild steel, 3/16 thickness. Our workpiece size is 60 inches by 120 inches. We'll apply that. Next, we'll go to plasma settings. And this is where we'll be setting up what we will be using for consumables and amperage. In this case, we'll use a 45 amp cartridge. Quality level at best. We are using compressed air for our gas. Our numbers will automatically load. You are able to edit the corner shapes, and our small hole processing is selected. To calculate the number that will be needed to put into this small hole processing, we will bring up our calculator. We will take our hole size of 1/2 inch, divide that by our material thickness, and this will give us our number to put into the hole size thickness factor. At this point, we will be reducing feed rate to 40%. That will slow the torch and create a better cut on our holes. Once this is all set up, we can apply that, and now we can move over to CNC. Once again, to move over from CAM to CNC, we'll select our arrow button.